Alright guys, we are so excited. Today we're going to do something that we've been wanting to do for 3 years and just have not been able to make it happen yet. Today is the day. We're headed to Quartzsite. You excited? Max, are you excited? You going to Quartzsite? You going to go to Quartzsite? Autumn, you want to go to Quartzsite? You go to Quartzsite? Yeah! Alright guys, so we made it to Quartzsite. We're looking at trying to get checked into the BLM land, trying to figure out all that. But look at what we found here. That's a big old bus or Class A with a toy hauler travel trailer behind it. Pretty cool. We saw on the way in a schoolie. I don't know if Kimberly got a picture. If she did, I'll put it in right here. But it was a schoolie, but it had a VW bus mounted on top of it, and it looked like you could probably go up into that. I don't know, it's crazy, some crazy rigs. And then when we were driving down the interstate, we saw a schoolie that somebody had turned into a fifth wheel and was hauling it with like a semi truck. So ought to see some pretty cool stuff here. We'll get this figured out and we'll let you know how it works as soon as we get it figured out. Okay, so there are some free BLM lands and some that you pay a little fee for. This one we're at here, the first one that we pulled into, it's a $40 fee, but you've got a dumpster to throw your trash in, you've got a dump station, and you've got potable water right here on the property. So it's only $40 for 14 days, so that's a good deal. Problem is, they only take cash, and we were putting our money together and we come up with about $28 in cash, and we need 40. So I'm in the camper. I'm going to look for our little change jar and we may have to see if they'll take quarters. You can pay with a debit card online. There is a service fee with that, which isn't as big a deal, but then you have to print off the receipt for that to show them. So in order to do that, you know, our slides in and all that, we'd have to run the generator, get the printer set up and all of that. So we're going to see if we can't do this in dollars and cents. We got cash change. They did say pay an exact change, so we're going to do it. Look at that. $12 in quarters. Well, $11.50 in quarters, 150-cent piece, and 8 $1 bills and 120. That makes $40. We're in. When you are driving the BLM lands, be careful, because right back there behind me, right there, there's a Class A that is high centered or low centered in a ditch, and now that guy is going to have to pull him out. Ouch. Be careful, it is not an RV park, it is BLM land. Ouch. That's gonna hurt. Okay, so that worked out really well actually, because the host of the property here that you stop and talk to and pay, and they give you information, that were real nice, and they needed quarters for the laundromat. So full-time RVers, you know the value of quarters. I did not even think of that when we were bringing them in, but they were excited to have the quarters, and they bought the quarters from us and gave us cash so we could give to the cash register. So worked out good for them, good for us. We're gonna go about a mile that way across the street And we're gonna get some potable water, fill up our tank. We only had about a third for traveling. And we're gonna use the dump station. All that's included for the $40. So go do that and then find us a place to get set up for the night. Got the tanks emptied and the tanks full, so we got fresh water and empty gray and black tanks. And we ran into Jim from Denver, his YouTube channel, Solar Boondocker. So we're gonna go check that out and see what that's about. But now we got to go find a spot, and there's so many spots that it's sort of hard to know where to go. Hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad. It's pretty windy. It got real breezy as the sun went down. We found a spot for the evening. Beautiful views. Lots of other RVs out here. We're gonna settle in, go in here, cook some Tostino's pizzas, have a banana, and call it an evening. It's been a long day of travel. We didn't get a lot of sleep last night, so we're gonna hit the hay and hopefully enjoy a nice quiet evening of sleep. So we'll catch up with you guys next time. If you enjoy these videos, please subscribe, like, comment, and of course share them with your friends. We'll see you next time.